Hello guys, once again welcome to our YouTube video. Today we showing grinder machine and their different parts. We already unscrewed the top covers. Now we can unscrew that cover. We remove the cover first. Remove bottom cover. Look at that. This is switch, power switch. This is carbon brush. It look like this. This is carbon brush. This look like this. This is second carbon brush. Like this. Okay. This is switch. Operating switch. Now we can remove top case. Open grinder is look like this. This is field coil. It's fixing like this. This is armature, teeth, bearing, and gear case. This is gear case. So these all parts are available in any grinder machine. In next video we can show you how to replace this field coil as well as armature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.